1, 2, 3, 4. Howdy folks, thanks for checking out the lesson here for Grandfather's Clock in the key of G. As you just saw and heard there, I played through a very basic straight ahead, kind of a car style arrangement for this tune. It's kind of a long piece, however many of the themes, the ideas, the passages, they repeat themselves. So once you kind of get the first 4 or 8 bars, you have a large chunk of the tune. It's broken up into 3 different sections essentially, and I'm going to break down everything here note for note. If you want to download the tabs, the audio tracks in Access Soundslice to slow down and loop the piece, click the link in the description below. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, so let's put those first few measures up on the screen here and check out this beginner arrangement for Grandfather's Clock. And it has a pickup on beat 2, so let's play it through first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I went on just a bit there. Again, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and once you get these first 8 bars even, you're actually going to have 16 bars in total. I mean, this piece is about 42 measures long, but these 8 bars repeat essentially after the B part. Okay, so if you get this first 4 bars, first 8 bars, you're going to have a large chunk of the tune. So again, it has that pickup on beat 2, and it starts on 2 8th notes on the open D. Okay, and then 2nd fret D, and 4th fret D. Just in a little pickup, kind of up the scale. Then second measure, we play the open G. I strum the G chord. And then 4 on the D. And then open G. That's an F sharp note. It'll be kind of dissonant. And you don't necessarily have to finger the whole G chord, but I like to. Just have it. And then next measure, 2 on the G. Now it goes to the D chord, so finger your D, but the melody note is there on the A note. And then strum, then open G, back to 2nd fret G. And then next measure, go back to the G chord, what the melody is on the B note. Okay, open B note there, and then strum. And then 1 0 on the B. So you got to kind of reach back with that first finger here on the 1st fret of the B. Okay, and then open G. So, oops, I played it wrong. I added a note. Open G there. So all 4 of those in context. 2, ready, go, 1. Then moving on. That's the first ending. Going into the first ending. So, we came from that open G, and now we're going to finger the C chord. The melody's on the D string, 2nd fret. So we play that, we strum. 0-2 hammer on the G, then open G. Okay, so measure 6, play the open D, but we're going back to the G chord, okay? Strum, 0-2 hammer on the D, open G. Then measure 7, we go to the D chord, but we're not going to finger the D chord here. We're just going to do fairly simple here, mostly 8th notes or quarter notes, but we're going to kind of come off the chord position, and 4 on the D, and then 2 8th notes on the open D, and then 2 4. So the timing there, just 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we go into the first ending and play open G, get into the G chord, strum, D string, strum. So those 4 again, ready, go. Then going on. So now here on the next 4 on the screen, so measure 9 is kind of the pickup back to repeating the A part, okay? So the A part repeats these 8 bars, essentially 8, 9 bars. So from measure 9, we're gonna go straight to measure 2, okay? And the second time, then you go down the line here, measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we hop to measure 10, okay? To take the second ending, you'll see the 2 with the line. So the second time, 7 hops to 10. And then, it finishes that part and goes into the B part, right? So measure 9, again, if we're going to repeat, play the open G, 2 8th notes on the D string, 2, 4, and then measure 2. So let's say it's the second time now. We come from measure 7. And now we hop to measure 10, and it's, similar here as the first ending, but measure 11 makes it different. So we pick up into the B part, open G, first fret B, second, or open B, first fret B, second, and then measure 12, 3. And I got my G chord, partial G chord there, fingered. Open, and then second fret G. So that little pickup there is kind of like a banjo pickup, if you will. That would be the second time, and as you see there, measure 12, that's officially the start of the B part. So let me play the whole A part for you. You can see it all go by. All right, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Measure 2. Second ending. Go to the B part. Okay, I went on there, tabs on the screen. But, all right, so that's the A part, and going into the B part there. If you want to access the full length lesson here and download all the tabs and the audio tracks for this arrangement, click the link in the description below.